Hi, I'm Cassidy, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a Kahoot account. So first I'm going to Google Get Kahoot. We'll just click right on that one. And then I'm just going to click here on the first choice. So now that we're on the site, you're going to click on the sign up for free button if it's your first time on here, which is what we'll do just to show you. Right, so first you're going to choose what's your role, right? You're going to pick what this is for and everything. But because I already have an account, I'm just going to sign in. So you can use your email for your username, which is what I did, or you can pick a special username just for you. Okay, and then once you're all done that, you're going to hit sign in, same as any other site usually. So when you go up to where your name is, this is what I picked as my username, you get all of these different choices. If you click on the edit profile, which I think is pretty cool, you can change what your username is, you can add your name, right? You've got your email, your organization, what role you have, so you can pick that you're a student if you are one. You can use this for business, which I think is pretty cool, or just for socially, or if you're a student under 16, you can use it as well. I picked that I am a teacher. You can also pick what your preferred language is. So, right, it gives you all the different languages here. Pretty cool, great selection. You can also upload a picture for your profile off of Gravatar, so you create an avatar for yourself. I have not done that yet. That's pretty cool. And when you're all done, you just hit save. Then you also have all of these cool options. You have your email preferences, the my results, which will show you the results for all the quizzes you create, and every time it's played, it will show you all the results. The change password, you can delete your account if you want to, and sign up. So if you go to my results, it will show you my quiz has been done twice, my Halloween quiz. You can download the results using cloud, or you can save them to your drive. And also when you do the quiz, it will show you the results right there, live action, which is pretty cool. But it's nice that you can go back and be like, I need those results, and get that. So if you're going to create a new Kahoot, you're going to go to create new Kahoot, you're going to go to quiz, and so you need to give it a title, so we'll go animal sounds, just for an example for you guys. The description is a Kahoot about animals. So you can change who it's visible to, so you can make it private so only you can use the quiz, or you can have it for everyone, so anybody on Kahoot, if they search for animal sounds, can use your quiz. You can change the language it's in. I would like to stick with English because that's my language. And you need to select an audience. So mine would be for school, right? Little kids want to learn about animal sounds. You can also add an image that when they look up for quizzes on animals, this image will be right beside your title, which is pretty cool. It kind of helps, right, make sure that they understand what it's for, and just makes it a little bit more fun. And you can also credit your resources that you found, and you can include an intro video. So we're going to hit that OK Go button, and you're going to add a question. So I'm going to go with what sound does a duck make? And then there, you can add a time limit. So we'll go 10 seconds, right? We'll keep it as you can either award them points or they don't get any points. Adding the points makes it a little bit more fun. You can add a question. So we'll go moo, or those are answers, sorry. Quack, bark, or we'll go meow. And then you pick which one's the right answer, which is quack. Again, you can add a video or an image to go with your question if you want to. Then you hit next. And then you can continue to add all the questions you want to for all of it. And then you'll go and hit save. And then you can preview it. You can go back and edit it. I like to preview it first because that way you can make sure that you have done it all right. So just pick classic. and then it lets you have a mock device right beside it, and then you just type in the code they provide you, and that means what you'll give to your students when they go to do it. They get to provide themselves with a nickname. I just stick with my first name, and if they put anything inappropriate for their nickname, you have the power to get rid of them if you don't like that. So then you're going to go and do it, and it comes up with the question, what sound does a duck make? And then there's all your answers, and you have to pick one on here. So that way you can verify that you picked the right answer as the right answer. Because sometimes you get a little bit too fast and you click on the wrong one and don't realize it. Then we're gonna go new game, get out of there. And then you can go to My Kahoots. So now I have animal sounds as well as Halloween. So when you click on highlight your quiz, you can edit it, which is awesome. So if you wanted to add questions, right, this one only has one. I can add more now, right? You can make another quiz. You can duplicate that one. You can delete it if you just want to get rid of it. You can go and you can play it, which is fun. You can share it, and when you hit share, you can share it with anybody else who uses Kahoot. And you can share it with up to 10 people at one time, which is what it says. So that's pretty cool. Also, if you go to find Kahoots, you can go and type in, right? They give you featured, most popular, trending, the ones that are trending near you. So they're kind of focusing on the same curriculum then, which kind of is nice, and the top Kahooters. But if you want something specific, say like grade 2 math, you're going to just type that in and hit search, which is what you do for all search bars, right? And it will give you all these different ones. So like 5th grade math, and that's showing up because it says math in there, right? Simple grade 2 math. So let's click on this to see what it is, right? And so you can see. So it gives you the option to play, preview, right? So you can check it out again before you give it to your kids. Make sure you like it, right? And it also lets you see what all of their questions are, and you can check out their answers. And it will show you which one is the correct one as well, right? So you get to see what you're testing them on, so that it's not a big surprise to you or them, and that way you can make sure it's focusing on what you want to test them on too. Then you just go back, and then you can go back to My Kahoots or go back to New Kahoot. And they also have the different options. You can do a discussion one, a survey, and Jumble is brand new, right? But they're all very fun, and it's pretty easy to use, and I hope you have fun using Kahoot.